Hello and welcome ulit sa Asian Love the Truth. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Erwin Silva. At ngayon naman po mga kaibigan, this is the part 3 of the wine of the Babylon in Revelation 17. Atin po namang tignan kung ano naman po ang iba nilang wine. At gaya nga po natin ginagawa, ina-isa-isa po natin para malaman po natin yung katotohanan ng kanilang mga ino-observe ng Roman Catholic Church. At ito po mga kaibigan ay meron po itong kaugnayan sa sineselebrate nila every February po. At ito po ang tinatawag nilang Valentine's Day. At ito po mga kaibigan, atin pong tignan. At atin alamin. In Revelation 17 verse 2, ito po yung ating palaging binabasa tuwing tayo magpo-proceed ng ating programa. In whom the kings of the earth have committed fornication, and the inhabitants of the earth had been made drunk with the wine of her fornication. Ulit mga kaibigan, tingnan nyo na lang po ang woman of Revelation 17 and 18. Diyan po sa ating video upang malaman po natin kung sino po itong babaeng ito. At yung part 1 po nitong ating video, kung anong ibig sabihin ng wine. At ito po mga kaibigan, pangatlong celebration, no? Pangatlong topic natin about sa wine of Babylon. At ito po ay ugnayan sa Valentine's Day. Ito po ang sabi ng Religions of the World, Christianity, Saint Valentine. The official Saint Valentine's Day was declared on 14th of February by Pope Gelasius in 496 in memory of the 3rd century martyr priest in Rome. So, dineclare po niya yung Valentine's Day on February 14 by Pope Gelasius noong 496 AD. It is also known for sure whether it is not known. Hindi pa nila alam, hindi po nila tukoy kung sino nga ba yung priest na ino-honor dyan. Diyan pa lang po mga kaibigan, hindi pa nga nila tukoy eh. Diyan pa lang nga po may problema na. Yung lang celebration ng February 14 kasi hindi nila alam kung sino ba talaga yung priest yung tinutukoy ni Pope Gelasius dyan noong 3rd century. Diyan pa lang, mali na. Hindi na tukoy. Magsiselebrate pa ba kayo? Hindi nyo alam kung sino yung pinag-representar ng inyong sineselebrate. Hindi nyo alam kung sino yun. Okay. Saint Valentine's Day embrace a year that is historically associated with love and fertility. It encompasses the sacred marriage of Zeus and Hera. Ayun pala. Kaya hindi nila tukoy kung sinong priest yung sineselebrate nyo dyan in memory to celebrate the Valentine's Day. Hindi nila tukoy kung sinong priest. Ayun pala that is the representation of the sacred marriage of Zeus and Hera. That is idolatry mga kaibigan. In Athens and ancient Roman festival of Lupercus. Yun, nakakatakot yung Lupercus na yan. The god of fertility. That is also an idolatry. Celebrate kayo ng Valentine's Day. Kala nyo, sineselebrate nyo yan together with your partner. Kasi sineselebrate nyo na nagtagal kayo in your relationship as wife and husband and also sa mga ang tawag doon sa mga girlfriend and boyfriend na sineselebrate nyo yung Valentine's Day because nagtagal yung inyong relasyon as girlfriend and boyfriend. Yun pala, that is associated with the god of Lupercus. Nakakatakot yung pangalang Lupercus na yan, mga kaibigan. At ito po, si Lupercus, the festival most likely refers to an ancient Rome festival of Lupercalia. Held annually on February 15, it was a fertility and purification festival dedicated to the god Faunus or the deity named Lupercus. Iba palang god. Kaya hindi tukoy kung sinong Valentine's yun yung priest na sinasabi doon sa Valentine's Day. Iba palang god. You are You are celebrating the god of Honus, the deity named Lupercus. Nakakatakot mga kaibigan. Kahit hindi nyo po alam, ito po yung ginagawa nila on that day. Ay, nakita nyo po mga kaibigan, February 15 po yung nakalagay dyan. Actually, that is the celebration from February 13 to February 15 po yan. Tingnan po natin kung na-insert ko dito po itong celebration na ito. Okay. And involved rituals such as animal sacrifice and a procession where priests would whip people with strips of goat skins known as pebrua. These lashes were believed to promote fertility and health. Okay. Aspects of Lupercalia. Ano pong mga aspects yan? Timing, celebration, celebrated on February 15, though some sources say it extended from February 13 to 14. 3 araw pala yung celebration na yan mga kaibigan. Meron kasing mga membro ng religion na pinapanigan ko, hindi sila nag-celebrate ng February 14 exactly. Doon tayo sa February 13 o kundi man 15. Ganun pa rin. Kahit saan pong date ng February, you are also celebrating the date of the god Lupercalia or Lupercus o tinatawag nilang Pebrua. That's why yung February, yung second month, actually this is the second month, February. This is 12 month of the year ang February po. Another topic naman po yan kung bakit nagiging second day yung 12 kung naging second month yung February. Actually wala pang name of February noon. So wag muna natin yung bigyang pansin. Meron naman po tayo yung topic about that, the month of the calendar. So yun po, yung February 14, 13 to 15, that is the celebration of the god of Lupercalia, Lupercus. At hindi po yan celebration of love ng both couple. You are celebrating the false god. Hindi po kayo aware niyan mga kaibigan. Because nabubulagan kayo ng inyong mga doktrina ng Roman Catholic Church. At ito rin po, location. The festival started in the Lupercal, a cave of the Palatine Hill, associated with the legendary founding of Rome by Romulus and Remus. Yun po. Kasi po mayroon po mga istorya dyan na si Romulus and Remus daw inalagaan ng isang wolf doon dyan sa cave na yan. No? They are twins. Participants, a college of priests called the Luperci, meaning brother of the wolf. Yun po. Rituals, sacrifice of a goat and a dog. The Luperci would smear blood on the foreheads, which was then wiped off with milk. Wipe off with milk. They would then cut strips from the sacrificed animal, hide to use whips or pebrua. Yun po yung hinampas nila. Yung nakita nyo pa sa picture. Meron po silang hinampas. Yun po tinatawag nilang pebrua. No? The priest would run through the streets, playfully striking passers-by with pebrua. Yan po. Yan po pala nanggaling yung word na February. On the streets na hinahampas sa mga taong makikita nila on the streets. Actually, sabi daw nila sa ibang source, ito pong mga taong to ay lumalakad po sa streets na naked, wala pong saplot sa katawan. The end of the festival Lupercalia was eventually suppressed by Pope Gelasius I in the late 5th century CE, who is said to have established February 14 as the feast of Saint Valentine's Day. Yan po. So, ginawa po niya para hindi halata. Kasi pag sinebrate mo po ngayon yan, yung ginagawa nilang naglalakad ng naked at saka meron pong pebrua sa kanilang mga kamay, masasabi mo talagang immoral. Para hindi halatang immoral, so pinalitan na lang yung pangalan, Saint Valentine's Day. At dito po sa aking Sektang pinapanigan, sana wag niyo rin pong ibahin yung pangalan. Iniiba niyo lang yung pangalan para hindi halatang Valentine's Day. Pinapalitan niyo lang ng banquet. Tapos yung mga youth, binibigyan niyo na ng partner during that celebration. Ano ba naman yan? Pinalitan na nga ni Pope Gelasius I. Instead of Lupercus Luperci o ano pang celebration niya ng pangalan, pinalitan na nga ng Valentine's Day to hide the immorality of that celebration. Tapos sa loob pa ng iglesia ng aking pinapanigan, pinapalitan nyo pa rin. Parang wala kayong pinagkaiba kay Pope Gelasius. Yung mga leader dyan na ni-endorso ng ganyang celebration in February, anywhere in that date of February, wala kayong pinagkaiba kay Pope Gelasius. Inaiba nyo lang yung pangalan. Dinadama nyo yung mga inosenteng youth natin. Kaya po, sana wag nyo pong gawin yun mga kaibigan. Kahit hindi ka pa membro ng sekta ng aking pinapanigan. Kahit sino po kayo, wag po kayong mag-celebrate niyan. Ito rin po, hindi nyo ba nahalata mga Roman Catholic Church member? Cupid is the Roman god of love, desire, and attraction, also known as Amor in Latin and Eros in Greek mythology. Hindi nyo ba nakikita sa mga love letter nyo, sa mga pinoportrait nyo dyan tuwing Valentine's Day, nandyan si Cupid? Hindi nyo ba naisip yun na yung Cupid na yan is the Roman god? That is also a form of idolatry. Hindi nyo ba kinakanta nyo pa nga Mr. Cupido, ako na may tulungan mo. So dyan pa lang mga kaibigan, mahalata nyo yan, that is not a Christian celebration. That is a devilish, diabolic celebration. Because you are honoring also the god of the Romans, Cupid, and the god of the Greek, Eros. Sana po maliwanagan po kayo mga kaibigan. Ito po ay hindi po ito pagbabati ko sa inyong mga celebration. Ito po ay isa lang pong pagbukas ng inyong isipan na yung mga celebration na sineselebrate nyo, ino-observe nyo, it came from the pagan culture or custom na tinatawag nilang tradition, and that was not came from the Bible. At ito pa nga yung sabi ni St. Paul, however then, when you know not God, howbeit then, when you know not God, ye did service unto them which by nature are no gods. Yun. Hindi naman po natin alam, hindi pa yung ano ba ibig sabihin nun? Na hindi pa natin alam kung sino ba yung God na nag-save sa atin. We are serving yung mga nature, yung mga ginagawa nila na wala pang na sineserve nilang gods, no? The nature are no gods. Ito po yung mga celebration na ito, no? But now, after we have known God, ngayon alam niyo na yung Diyos, kung sino yung Diyos, no, natin pinapanigan, rather are known of God, na kilala na rin po tayo ng ating Panginoong Diyos, how you turn again to the weak and beggarly elements. So, wag na kayo, nandito na nga tayo sa loob ng ating sektang pinapanigan na kiniklaim na tinatama tayo, tapos babalik pa po tayo dyan. Whereunto ye desire again to be in bondage. Yun. Free na tayo sa ganyang mga celebration, tapos babalik ka pa dyan sa ganyang bondage of sin. You observe days and months, times and years. I am afraid of you, lest I have bestowed upon you labor in vain. Yun. Huwag na kayong babalik dyan kasi mawawalang kwenta lang po yung yung effort ni Paul para po tayo ay mapunta sa totoong Diyos. Yun po mga kaibigan, no? Yung February 14 po, hindi po yung Christian. That is the wine of Babylon. At yung February na yan mga kaibigan, wala pong pangalan noon. Yung meron po kasing yung last kasi sa calendar po kasi noon, yung last month po kasi is December. Oh. Ika-10 o kung ika-10th month po was December. Not last. Kasi yung after December, meron pong 60 days na wala pong pangalan. At yun po ating tutuklasin kung saan po nanggaling yung pangalan January. At ito nga po yung February came from the celebration February. So yun po mga kaibigan, sana po ay wag nyo po tong tangkilikin ang itong celebration na Valentine's Day because this is the celebration of the devil. Ulit po, ito po Sir Ron Silva, and you shall know the truth.